Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I get sometimes customers come in and say, "Hey, where's Dustin at today?" So if you didn't already know, I travel a lot. It's kind of occasional now that we have a baby here. So I do try to be an advocate for the RV community, and I help a lot of different consumers out. So I'll get contacted by attorneys, whether they're in California or in other states, and I'll travel to go out to go help assist RV owners. So I know you've all seen like Liz Amazing and Greg Carson and a bunch of other people that are out there. There's been a lot of controversy and a lot of stuff going on in our industry lately. Sometimes people blame it on COVID or it's a COVID built coach. Sometimes it's just production. So, I've been in this industry now for 25 years and I've seen just about, I'm not gonna say everything, but I've seen a lot of crazy stuff. So I get hired by an attorney. Basically, I'll go and I'll fly to a location, go inspect a coach, meet with other attorneys that are there for both sides of the opposing counsel, meet with the consumers, meet with other RV techs that are there maybe from a dealership, and try to help understand or justify what happened. Was it something that the manufacturer did? Was it something that the consumer did? Was it something that the dealership did? And try to be there to help come up with a way we can get around this to resolve it, to either correct the issues, repair them, or to basically at the end result they do a buyback or get their money back. So if you're having a problem with your RV and you're not getting help and you're looking for help, we're available. You can reach us at our shop, or you can check us out on our website. It's www.californiarvspecialist.com, and we'll do what we can. So give us a holler. Telephone number here is 209-263-7040. I'll list all that information below. Pretty soon we're going to start writing some articles, and we won't list like who we helped or possibly the manufacturers, but what we'll do is we'll list up scenarios of things that are happening. So you name it, we've kind of seen it, from things that have gone into ditches to tires that have blown off to mold problems, coaches that have caught on fire, or things that have been not repaired correctly. It's just a realm of all kinds of stuff, So anyways, thanks so much for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to reply back as soon as I can. Thanks again.